Hey everybody, Jim Ballard here, wood turner in Tennessee. I'm going to show you how I sharpen my 5/8 bowl gouge. Let's get started. Alright, so what I got here is a grinder and the Wolverine repeatable grinding system that I picked up from Woodcraft. These are interchangeable, one side to the other. Finer blade, rougher blade. I cut the notch in this so I can get a little bit closer with some other tools. This is the one we're going to use right here. First thing I do is I pull out a piece of this copper tube, little 3/8 tube, doesn't really matter what it is, and I have it cut 7 1/8 of an inch. I put it in, I push it up, I tighten. Now, doesn't matter if this wheel gets smaller, this will always be that distance. Next, I get my bowl gouge out. Slip it in this attachment part from Wolverine. All I can tell you is I got it on the second notch for the angle, whereas this is close to a 90. I don't know if that's a 45, but it's just a second notch in the Wolverine. Then I'm going to set the depth. You got to have a certain amount of depth here. So, hey Lucy, come here. Hey girl, you gonna help me do some grinding? Yeah, she's a cool girl. Okay, watch out. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it against here, and I've got it set. This is set for 2 inches. Little stop block right at 2 inches. Tighten it up. She's good to go. Alright, so here you go. You put it inside the pocket. The depth is set, and you're going to work it back and forth. It doesn't get its shape by magic. You still have to have a little finesse to get the actual shape, but we'll show you how that happens. And that's it. There it is. That fast. So when you can repeat the grind, it feels the same that you've been using, and it takes off very little metal and shortens this thing very little. Every time you sharpen it, it gets shorter and shorter, and these things are expensive. So there you have it. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the comment box. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See ya.